Good morning, Blazers. Today is Monday, October 22nd.
Today is National Nut Day. Sorry to everyone who's allergic. Please stand for the pledge.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome to InfoFlow. I'm Alana.
And I'm Matt. In the news, the U.S. Department of Justice asked the Supreme Court to toss kids' climate change lawsuit, which was filed in 2015 by a group of young people who said the government violated their right to a climate system capable of sustaining human life. They asked for sharp reductions in carbon dioxide emissions and a national plan for restoring the Earth's energy balance.
Attention, Blazers. If you have ever been involved or wanted to be involved in an LGBT straight group, student group, please go to Portable 5 Wednesday, October 24th between 2:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. for the first ever meeting of Blair's Pride Plus, formerly known as the Gay Straight Alliance. We'll have snacks and drinks for attendees. Bring a friend and an open mind for a great time.
Blazers, go participate in a 2-day diversity workshop. Want to get to know different people? Get the chance to lead workshops and go on field trips? Look for Wilbert in the SGA office or Miss Matthews for any questions and permission slips. The 2-day workshop is on the 25th and 26th, all day. Snacks will be provided. Go to the SGA office, room 161, or see Miss Matthews for the permission slip.
Hey Blazers, want to make amazing crafts? Then you should join Blair Crafts. Learn how to crochet and knit, learn how to make jewelry, and so many other fun crafts. Join them in room 7 every other Thursday after school from 2:40 to 4 o'clock.
Attention all students interested in playing baseball for Blair in the spring. There will be an important meeting on Wednesday, October 24th in room 227 at 3:15. Please plan to attend this meeting.
Attention all Blazers student athletes interested in joining a swim and dive program. An informational meeting will be held on today at 4 p.m. in room 138. It is important that you meet the new coach and get all necessary information all this time. Again, a swim and dive team informational meeting will be held on the 22nd at 4 o'clock.
That's all for today's show, but tune in on Tuesday for more. Check out our website, bnconline.net, to submit announcements, and follow us on Twitter at bncblair and on Instagram at bnc.infoflow. Have a fun day Monday. Best wishes, Blazers.